My name is Vishal and I create a note sharing app where you can get all the semester wise notes of BTech CS branch. So first of all, how it works, I create a page here where how it works show. So first of all, you can sign up and log in, and other than select your semester, select your subject and download it. Let's try it. So if we assume your semester is fourth semester, there software engineering and multiple are uh, so when we click on SE unit, so OneDrive is open and you can easily download from here. So this is the basic project. If you want to contribute in this, you can reach me on my LinkedIn, which I show there. Like when you click on this, my LinkedIn is open. You can message me if you want to contribute. Uh, on the other hand, if you contribute in this project, we can share your image or your name in this place in our contributors. On the other hand, we give you a profile section and global chat room, all the important notice and all the other things. If you want to tell us something, you can comment it here. We can see it. On the other hand, this is the app. We give you a to-do list, so you can do this. So let's see how to log in or register. If you are new, you can register here. If you are old, you can log in. Select your email and give your password. After few seconds, it is loading. Okay, so thank you.